I've got several feedbacks about problems with vector files with buttons, that they aren't vectors or look like raster images, and etc. I decided to prepare a short video explanation with several tips when you can meet with these kinds of troubles. So let's break them down. Here you see the AI file, which contains some patterns. These patterns are built into the Adobe Illustrator. You may find them in the swatch panel. Also, some patterns are layered. That means you may change the color of the background. Just check the layers of the file. So, let's try to edit one of the patterns. Just click Alt plus left mouse button and move it to the any side. You see that we can scale the shape of the pattern, just dragging the sides, okay? Yep, that's clear. But what can happen if we open the general preferences of AI? We see a lot of settings, but now we need the checkbox called Transform Pattern Tiles. If we turn on this option and click OK, we aren't able to scale this inside pattern. Now it works as an image with its proportions. That is why before to start working with scalability of patterns, we need to check if the checkbox turns on or not. So let's turn it off now. Good. Now we need to deal with the possibility of editing the color palette of our pattern. Open the swatch panel, then I need to copy the same pattern just to see the difference in real time. Okay, make them smaller. It's easier to look at them. Click on the pattern in your swatch panel and duplicate it just in case. It helps us to save our current color option as a backup. Select the pattern you want to edit, then click the Edit tab on the top, find the Edit Colors option, and then click the Recolor Artwork. Here you see the color wheel with all colors from your pattern. Just try to change the positions of triggers, and here are results with harmony colors. If you want to change each color directly, just unlink this small button. Well, good. Now we can change all colors as we want and need, of course. I hope these pieces of advice on how to work with vector patterns will be useful for you. So if you have any questions according to the video or any questions connected with graphic and design, leave your comments. I'll be glad to handle them. And good day!